of those.
Next up, we got the. It's not loaded.
That does some good rapid fire there. We love rivalries here.
Now this one basically wakes up your whole family.
You think so? That one or the shotgun?
Depends. It's that one and that one. That one right there. Get out the way, Dragon. Alright. Now next up we got the. I used to hate this one because I can like pop it back. Now.
Oh. We gotta get the modifications for that one too.
Oh yeah.
The Chronos.
Yeah. Alright. A bullet right here. I basically have infinite bullets. If you ask me.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna sit you.
I almost poked my eye out.
And another. Hold up. Let me see how good my aim is. Okay, yep. So this one is rival. Rival.
What's your favorite rival?
Like out of out of these three?
Yeah. No, out of the whole rival collection. Which rival is your favorite?
It's that one, and that one.
So.
And that one.
Shotgun?
Double.
I thought you was gonna say that one was first. You used to love that one.
I do. Still, I do. Oh, yeah. Okay, yep, okay, oh yeah, rival.
Shotty.
Oh, snap, we got an egg shot back here.
That's like his only. But that little thing is pretty powerful for a little egg shot.
It hits you in the back of your head.
Ow! Oh my goodness.
Shot right there.
So favorite out of everything.
It has to be that one.
Very favorite. Only one. If you had to go to a Nerf apocalypse zombie fight right now, and you could only take your vest, one main, and one side on, what would it be?
So I can basically be thick too.
What would it be?
It would. I'm gonna have to go FORTNITE style because that one and that one is pretty powerful.
There you have it.
Yeah. This one.
We only have one of those. One mega. We don't have too many megas. We don't do the megas. All blanks. You're shooting all blanks. I hate megas.
So, and we got a FORTNITE apartment back here.
The FORTNITE apartment. Who's your favorite FORTNITE character?
Basically, Skull Trooper and a Ripper pickaxe.
Oh.
I'm gonna show you guys the one that you did not get to see with bullets inside of them.
2 years later.
I can do that meme, okay? So,
Blank. Oh my goodness.
And we'll see how powerful it is to hurt.
Oh!
Like and subscribe. Peace.